Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a work profile on a Oneplus phone. Let's begin. The steps will be similar on most Android devices, whether you're using a OnePlus, Samsung, Motorola, or another Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Google. Tap on Google, then select All Services. When you scroll down, you'll see an option called Set up your work profile. Tap on it. You'll now see some information about setting up a work profile on your device. For now, simply tap. Next, to continue, your phone will begin downloading the resources required to set up the work profile. Next, you may be asked to grant permissions for the camera so the phone can scan a setup code provided by your IT administrator. If you have a QR code, allow the permission and scan the code. If you don't have a QR code, tap on Enter Code manually instead. Now enter the setup code provided by your IT administrator and tap Next. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions. And once the setup is complete, your work profile will be added to your device. That's how you can set up a work profile on a OnePlus phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.